We built an app that controls wine fermentation in real time using sensors stuck to the lid of either a cavity or a tank. Our product tracks temperature using a temperature sensor and displays it on the screen. We plan to improve our product by adding sugar and pH sensors, which will collect data. The app will display the result while saving it in a database, and notifications will be sent out to the user, reminding them of the progress and the steps they should take further. Our application is designed to help winemakers monitor important wine parameters. Right now, our system works in two main parts. First, we have the hardware prototype built with an Arduino and a temperature sensor. The sensor measures the temperature in real time and displays it on an LCD screen, which demonstrates how data is collected from inside the wine. Second, we developed the mobile application interface. The app currently includes a full user system where users can register, log in, and reset their password. We implemented secure password requirements and validation to ensure data safety, and the app uses a database to manage user information correctly. At this stage, the hardware and app are developed separately, but the next step is integration. We plan to connect the sensor system to the app using Wi-Fi, so the measured data can be sent directly to the user's phone and displayed in real time. This way, the final product will allow winemakers to monitor their wine remotely and more efficiently.
For the hardware, we used an Arduino Uno with a temperature sensor, jumper wires, and a resistor to keep the circuit stable and safe. We also connected an LCD screen to display the temperature in real time. Everything was assembled on a breadboard and controlled using Arduino code. We used AI tools to guide us step by step on how to connect the components and write the code, which helped us successfully build the prototype. For the app, we used MIT App Inventor and created the logic ourselves without AI. For example, in the login system, we use a database to store user information. When the app retrieves data, it checks if the user exists and then compares the entered password with the stored one. If the password is correct, the user is taken to the main menu. Otherwise, an error message is displayed. We also implemented a password reset feature. The system generates a random verification code, sends it using a web request, and only allows the user to reset their password if the correct code is entered. Our development process involved testing and improving both the hardware and the app. We tested the temperature sensor and fixed issues like invalid results, no sensor found error, wiring, and resistor placement. We also adjusted the LCD connections and contrast until it displayed correctly. For the app, we tested each feature step by step. We checked everything with both correct and incorrect inputs to make sure validation worked properly. We asked a few winemakers to try the app and use their feedback to improve things like error messages and usability. Through testing and improvements, we gradually made our project more reliable and user-friendly.